안녕하세요, this is Gia. One of my favorite ways to eat the eggplants is to stir fry with ground meat. And today I'm going to make a dish that is inspired by Chinese stir-fry eggplants with minced pork. Trim the eggplants and cut into 2-inch pieces. Then split into lengthwise and cut the pieces a bit thick because it's going to shrink. Slice button mushrooms thick. Mince a few cloves of garlic. Then chop or grate the ginger. Adding a little bit of ginger makes this dish fragrant. Chop 1 stalk of green onion. We'll be using gochugaru, Korean chili flakes, so these chilies are optional. I like to add a bit of fresh chilies because they give refreshing spicy taste. A combination of these aromatics provide deep flavors to this dish. The pan has been heated over medium heat with 2 tablespoons of oil. Place the eggplants into the pan and cook until soft and turns a bit brown. Mushrooms take less time to cook than the eggplants. Make a small space in the pan and add about 1 teaspoon of oil. Add the mushrooms to the pan and cook for about 3 minutes. Eggplant edges should look soft like this. Transfer cooked eggplants and mushrooms to a tray and set aside. Heat the same pan over medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and minced beef. Then add sugar, garlic, ginger, and chilies. Stir fry the meat. Cook stirring frequently until there is no lumps, about 2 minutes. Salt and soy sauce make the meat want to stick together, so whisk soy sauce when the meat is a bit cooked. Now combine cooked eggplants and mushrooms with beef. Season with soy sauce and gochugaru, Korean chili flakes. The savory eggplant stir-fry with ground beef goes perfect with cooked rice. Today I used ground beef, but you may try with prawn or ground chicken. It really goes well with eggplant as well. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.